Hey, welcome back, y'all. I'm fixing to mix us up a wonderfully holiday warm beverage, lemony apple cider. So I'm gonna pour a half a gallon of apple cider into my pot. This is gonna make the house smell real good and real festive. All right, now half a cup of lemon juice, straight from the jar. I mean, this is just so easy it's stupid almost. All right, now half a cup of the orange juice, 3 cinnamon sticks, and 1 tablespoon of cloves. Okay, so I'm just gonna heat that slowly, giving it time to marinate all the different spices and flavors that we've got going on. I've got a pot that's ready here, and you can see it's a darker color from my pot because those flavors have mixed up. All right, so you wanna just serve this in a mug. I'm gonna drop an extra cinnamon stick in mine because I love it really, really cinnamony. Cinnamony. That wasn't easy to say. And then I've got some orange circles. And then I'm gonna take me one of the smaller pieces of orange and just drop it down into my cider so as I sip, that orange flavor will release in there. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas.